What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is another installment on the budget stereo system on the BMW. When I say budget, I'm trying a lot of new things. Like I said before, this is almost eBay, all eBay stuff. Almost got some Amazon stuff, but today there's not a whole lot of bass with the 5 1/4 in this car, so it's missing a little bit of a sub. So I got onto Rockville.com, who has very budget priced stereo equipment, including subs, amplifiers. So what I did was I picked up a powered sub for the trunk on the Z3, and we're gonna see if it's any good. Cheap. I'm telling you, this thing is cheap. This thing was I used a coupon code too, so I wound up getting it for like 115 bucks shipped. So let's get this thing unboxed, see if it's really worth it or if it's just junk. Check it out. All right, how are we gonna open this bad boy? Right here. Do that. Straight across. Dun, dun. Yes, I do. I talk to myself. Do the one-handed open. I don't know if I said it already or not. This is a 12-inch powered sub. Okay, I need two hands. Now, trunk. I already had everything pre-wired. All done and out of the way. You guys don't need to see that. You already saw that with that one. Kind of, I guess. But anyway, if you guys need to know anything, let me know. But I have the constant, the RCAs, the ground, and the remote already done. So let's get this bad boy laying in the trunk. Well, take a look at it first. Ooh, thing's huge. Yeah, it's 12. Duh. So this is a behind the seat box. I don't remember. 1400 watts or 1200 watts? Don't remember. But there's your powered sub connections on the side here. So let's see how it's going to lay in here. Oh, it'll be easiest like that because all the cords are on that side. Let's just see if it fits on the other side. Just for giggles. It does. Kind of fits snug. I don't know which way I like better. I don't know. It fits snug, but it doesn't feel like there's a big gap here. I don't like that. I think I'm going to turn it. Yeah, just like that. Gives me a little more room. And then my wires are already right here. So I'm going to get to hooking those guys up. here, this is your remote boost knob, and then your wire. So for right now, testing purposes, we're just going to leave it in the trunk, and I'll at a later date run it up front if this sub works out. Okay, so the knob has your min and then your max on it. I'm going to turn it all the way down right now. Plug your one end into the knob and then the other end into the sub. Okay, so now you can see we have the, sorry for the lighting, we have the ground wire, the remote wire, the constant 12 volt, then the RCA's left and right, and then your bass boost knob plugged in there. Last but not least, I'm gonna put my fuse in there now, because I didn't put a fuse in there just because you want to do all this first and then hook up your, disconnect your battery, do all this, and then reconnect your battery. Well, I already had the fuse out of there, so we're good. So now I'm gonna push it in place, and I will put in the fuse. I'll tell you what, it's a hot one today, guys, but it's kind of funny because I know I put my fuse up, and because I was like, well, I'm gonna put it here so I know where it's at when I need it. And do you think I could figure out where I put it? You guessed it, I can't. So, oh, there's a flashlight. Oh, there it is. There it is. Found it. I did put it in there. Second time's a charm. Alright, let's get this bad boy put in. Hi, puppies. Hi, Maisie. Okay, let's see if this thing powers on now. Key is on. Now I do not have the subwoofer activated. There it is, she's on. Okay, I don't have it activated yet with the radio, so I'm gonna go do that. I just want to tuck these a little nicer. There's too much wireage hanging out here. I don't like the wire edge. Okay. Oh, look at that knobby lighting up green. Go blue. Okay, let's turn it on in the car. Subwoofer level all the way up. Okay. Next step, find some music that I won't get demonetized for. Okay, guys. Definitely need that bass boost controller up here. Definitely do. So, but it sounds good. Okay, here she is. Then I can turn it up too, you know. Okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna run that into the car because I need that, definitely. All right, guys, so it has been a while. And in here we have the Rockville 12-inch powered sub. So I have moved it out. Doesn't really matter. I think long term I'm going to clean out the bottom where the tools are and the battery. I'm going to put the battery here, and then I'm going to put the sub down in the cutout of the trunk just to give it more airspace, because in this Z3 there's hardly a trunk, hardly any airspace for this, which muffles it. It does. But that's just Z3 life. But let's turn this bad boy on. Oh, hang on. I gotta find some music first, so I won't get copyrighted. So let me find it. Key on. Come on, radio. Takes a minute to connect to. And then we are going to turn it on. Bluetooth audio. Yeah, I know it's not connected right now. Now it is. All right. So, and here is where I mounted the powered sub. So, hopefully you guys can hear this pretty good. And this is kind of an overview of the whole stereo system. I'll give it too. So. Then it muffles pretty good. And hopefully you can hear everything pretty good. Tweeters. It's about to get loud. Oh, come on. Oh, stinking Wi-Fi. I hate it. Come on. Okay, enough of that. Hopefully that turns out. I don't know. I got a pretty good mic. My wife just yelled at me. Oh well. Alright, there it is, guys. So, on a budget, great product. Longevity, I have no idea. We'll find out. But for 120 bucks or whatever I wound up paying for this after my coupon, totally worth it for a small footprint. Totally worth it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Later.